think is that athletes, or just young people or old people who are interested in sports, don't only eat very processed gels, but actually use real foods, such as watercress. Is that also what we're trying to kind of tackle?
Yeah. There's a lot of hidden information that's probably not fully aware, we're aware of at the moment. We're doing some work to do with gene expression. We've got a professor up in Northumbria University that's looking at the consumption of watercress and the isothiocyanates that are activated when you consume it. And that they've proven there that they're actually turning on genes that have been ghosted, turned off, and they can have quite a significant effect on the body's response to how it's dealing with stressors. In that particular case, it's about sunlight and skin stressors. But we also know that through studies at Napier University, that the reduction in DNA damage was measured significantly by the consumption of watercress prior to exercise. Do you want to expand on that?
So I think also just picking up on your point about watercress being a very natural source of nutrients, so rather than relying on supplements for some of these nutrients that are required for sport, watercress is fabulous in that it has them in its very natural form. And what we know now from research, for example, is that some of the toxins that are produced through intense exercise that may well go on to produce cell damage, a low level of those actually stimulates skeletal muscle to produce its own antioxidants, and that's a really finely tuned biological process. So if you then give the body too many antioxidants in a fairly unnatural form, it potentially really disrupts that really important process. Whereas if you, so there's this feeling that by taking in the antioxidants through a very natural product like watercress in their natural food, then it's not going to have that negative impact on the body's natural processes, which I think, these days with all the move towards sustainability is really key.